Skin Club promo code. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through how you can easily redeem your Skin Club promo code. First step is to launch your Steam in your device or search for skin.club in a browser. Select on Skin Club. Start off by logging into your Skin Club account. In order to do so, at the top tap on the login option and use a credential to log in into your account. You need to head over to your account settings. Under it, check for payment settings. At the bottom, you should see the option of promo code. You can enter your promo code in the given dialog box. Make sure you enter it correctly. Then tap on the add option. After which, you need to enter email address, then the amount and select on the add button. By this way, you'll be able to use your Skin Club promo code. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.